I was flying back home and I was just sitting in the airport. It was the day before it was going to be launching on the website. And I was looking at the website and I was just like, oh wow, it's my design.
One of the really fun key components of this class is that they are given the opportunity to work with a local community partner. And this year we teamed up with Willamette Week, and the students had the opportunity to pitch a brand presentation for the Best of Portland Awards.
We're really excited to partner with PSU's Brand Lab class. This brand is really about celebrating the best of Portland. It's about representing our community. It's about really recognizing the people, places, and things that make this city special.
She says the best thing about Portland is that you can have a business from your backyard. So for us, it's really about that indie feeling. We want them to still be able to recognize it, but then see Portland in it. So I know a big inspiration was local hand letter people in Portland. We thought of construction craft paper, garage sale signs. The idea was it turned into garage sale as a whole, and then a little bit of the feeling of participation awards. I saw one of the Willamette Week newspapers on the ground with the design in it, and it was soaking wet with people's footprints all over. I was like, that's cool. Mine was when my mom, she texted me a photo of a random store, I don't know what, and then she said that she walked up to the cashier and told everybody that I made the sign on the front. It's a great thing to add to my portfolio as a huge project, working for a real client, and just another thing where I'm just hey, I worked on this as a team. I have great process to show. I think take to heart the process that these teachers try to instill in you. It's good and it works. Even though it's really, really annoying. Do 50 sketches and you're gonna be oh my god, I have to do 50 sketches by tomorrow, and you're I can't do that. But it's yeah, no, do 100 then. Yeah, I'm glad it's over, but it's a great project.